Well, you come to this private and secure room to pick out your car on this app here, and for me, of course, it's going to be a Lamborghini Aventador, what else? And once you pick it out, then the amazing bit happens. It brings it down almost like a giant vending machine, and while you wait, it plays a very exciting promotional video for you.
With the footprint I have, I can store about 60 to 80 cars. But if I don't do it this way, I might have to have 5 times the size of land of this place. So that was the reason why we came out with this idea.
Gary, would you do the honors?
Okay, let's do. I'm sorry, I think you better call your banker.
That's never going to happen.